This video is for all the professionals working on the profile of graphic designers and illustrators and are willing to migrate to or work in Canada. It will provide you an in-depth knowledge about the National Occupational Classification Code of Graphic Designers and Illustrators. So, let's start the video.
Hi, I am Smith and welcome to our channel A to Z Immigration Updates. We make informational and latest news videos regarding global immigration. Watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon, so that you can get the most updated immigration news and information. In Canada, every skill profile has a unique code that is called National Occupational Classification Code or NOC Code. This code tells us about the detailed information associated with a profile and regarding the key parameters like profile description or profile lead statements, key responsibility area and main job duties, employment requirements, alternative and illustrative job titles in exclusion. So, first of all, let's see the NOC code and its description for the profile of this video.
The National Occupation Classification Code or NOC code for the profile of graphic designers and illustrators is 5241. As per Statistics Canada, the profile description of graphic designers and illustrators is as follows. Graphic designers conceptualize and produce graphic art and visual materials to effectively communicate information for publications, advertising, films, packaging, posters, signs and interactive media such as websites and CDs. They are employed by advertising and graphic design firms, by establishments with advertising or communications departments and by multimedia production companies, or they may be self-employed. Graphic designers who are also supervisors, project managers, or consultants are included in this unit group. Illustrators conceptualize and create illustrations to represent information through images. They are almost solely self-employed.
Key responsibility area. Human Resources and Skill Development Canada has defined a proper set of job roles for every NOC code. There is not any fixed guideline for meeting all the requirements. As per the recommendation of experts, a person should meet at least 50% of the job responsibilities mentioned in the NOC code. Now let's discuss the key job responsibilities associated with your profile. So, here we go.
Main job duties of graphic designers and illustrators are as follows. Graphic designers consult with clients to establish the overall look, graphic elements, and content of communications materials in order to meet their needs. Determine the medium best suited to produce the desired visual effect and the most appropriate vehicle for communication. Develop the graphic elements that meet the client's objectives. Prepare sketches, layouts, and graphic elements of the subjects to be rendered using traditional tools, multimedia software and image processing, layout and design software. Estimate cost of materials and time to complete graphic design. Use existing photo and illustration banks and typography guides or hire an illustrator or photographer to produce images that meet clients' communications needs. Establish guidelines for illustrators or photographers. Coordinate all aspects of production for print, audio-visual or electronic materials, such as websites, CDs, and interactive terminals. Coordinate subcontracting. Work in a multidisciplinary environment. Supervise other graphic designers or graphic arts technicians. Illustrators. Consult with clients to determine the nature and content of illustrations in order to meet their communications needs. Develop and produce realistic or representational sketches and final illustrations, by hand, or using computer-assisted design, CAD, software, for printed materials such as books, magazines, packaging, greeting cards and stationery. Assist in developing storyboards for electronic productions such as multimedia, interactive, and digital products and television advertising and productions. Produce 2D and 3D animated drawings or computer illustrations. May adapt existing illustrations. Illustrators may specialize in a particular field such as illustrations for children, advertising, editorials, humor, or medical, scientific or technical illustration, or multimedia design.
Employment requirements and other additional information. In this section we will discuss the employment requirements for your profile. Every job has a specific set of employment requirements associated with it. The main employment requirements factors includes 1. Type and level of formal education. 2. Specific training or apprenticeship. 3. Experience in the same or other related occupations. 4. Licenses, certification and registration to practice in a regulated profession, extra. Before moving further, let's understand the employment eligibility requirements and other additional information associated with your profile.
Following are employment requirements for the profile of graphic designers and illustrators. A university degree in visual arts with specialization in graphic design, commercial art, graphic communications, or cartooning, or completion of a college diploma program in graphic arts is required. Experience or training in multimedia design at a post-secondary, college or technical institution may be required. In addition to the arts, training in biology, engineering, architecture, or a scientific field is usually required for medical, technical and scientific illustrators. Creative ability and artistic talent, as demonstrated by a portfolio of work, are required for graphic designers and illustrators.
Illustrative job titles and exclusions. Every job role or employment can have multiple profile titles. So if you are not able to find the exact job title for your profile, then you need not to worry. Now we will see the list of illustrative and alternative titles for your profile. This section is a list of titles commonly used in the labor market. We will also see the exclusions list, that is the list of titles that cannot be covered under your profile. So let's have a glimpse of it.
Illustrative titles for the profile of graphic designers and illustrators are as follows: 3D animation artist, advertising designer, animator, animated films, banknote designer. The list is quite large, so, if you want to read all the alternative profile titles, then you can pause this video and can have a proper glimpse. Now let's see the exclusion list. Advertising managers, C0124. Advertising, marketing, and public relations managers. Graphic arts technicians, C5223. Graphic arts technicians. Interior designers and interior decorators, C5242. Interior designers and interior decorators. Painters, sculptors, and other visual artists, C5136. Painters, sculptors, and other visual artists. So, this was all about the profile of graphic designers and illustrators with NOC Code 5241.
We at Brain Drain Consultants Private Limited helps you to migrate to Canada on work permit or on PR. Our motive is to convert your immigration dreams into reality. We assist you in Canadian-style resume and cover letter preparation, mapping the best employment opportunities with your skill set, employment consultation and job search, online skill profile preparation and branding, education credential assessment filing Canada, migration skill assessment filing Australia, expression of interest EOI filing, LMIA, work visa, PR, business visa filing. If you need any further information, then you can contact our team of expert registered migration and employment consultants. Our team will help you to explore the employment, work visa and other immigration opportunities for your profile in Canada and Australia. Click on the booking link mentioned in the description to reserve an expert session for a detailed discussion to explore your immigration opportunities. We also assist employers to file LMIA with Employment and Social Development Canada (ESDC). So if you are an employer in Canada, we can help you to get the best manpower for your company. Canadian immigration is a merit-based immigration process, and your selection under most of the immigration programs depends upon your age, education, experience, English language capability, spouse's educations and experience, employment availability through LMIA, provincial nomination extra, We at Brain Drain Consultants Private Limited provide a one-stop online platform with all kind of immigration services for our global customers. You can have online consultancy sessions, assessment, application filing and all kind of visa processing assistance by our team of experts. If you want to do a self-assessment and check your eligibility for immigration, then click on the link attached in the description and download our app to do your immigration assessment yourself. Also watch our other videos related to work visa filing and finding a job in Canada from your home country. So, if you like our video then don't forget to subscribe, like and share our YouTube channel. Also hit the bell icon to get the most updated information regarding global immigration. Thanks, and we will meet again with another informative video soon.